Hello children, how are you today? I hope you all are fine. Today we will learn about big, bigger and biggest. Today's topic is big, bigger and biggest. We have already learned big and small concept. Okay? Now you can easily identify big and small objects. Let's revise. Now you tell me which one is big? Yes, correct. This ball is big. Very good. So, I will give to this ball a tag. I will give a tag to this ball. I will give a tag to this ball. And this ball is big. And what is the spelling of big? Do you know? B-I-G. The spelling of big is B-I-G. B-I-G. What is the spelling of big? B-I-G. B-I-G. Now it's your turn. Very good. B-I-G. Now I am going to draw another ball. Now, did you notice any difference between them? Yes, this is also a big ball. So, what should I call it? What should I call it now? Think. This is bigger ball. This is a bigger ball. This ball is bigger than a ball. This ball is bigger than a tag ball. So, I will call it as bigger ball. And what is the spelling of bigger? Do you know? B-I-G-G-E-R. B-I-G-G-E-R. Bigger. Now, I will give B tag to this ball. I will give B tag to this ball. This is bigger and this is bigger. Big and bigger. B tag ball is bigger than A tag ball. Okay? Everyone understood? Yes, very good. I will draw one more ball. This ball is big. This ball is bigger. What is the spelling of bigger? B-I-G-G-E-R. Bigger. Once again. B-I-G-G-E-R. Bigger. Now, I have drawn another ball. And this ball is biggest. What should I call it? I will call it as biggest. This ball is Biggest. What should I call it? Biggest. What should I call it? Biggest. And the spelling of biggest is B-I-G-G-E-S-T. Biggest. This ball is bigger than A-tag ball and B-tag ball. This ball is bigger than A and B ball. Now I will give C-tag to this ball. I will give C-tag to this ball. And this ball is biggest. This ball is biggest. C-tag ball is bigger than A and B ball. So we will call it biggest ball. This ball is biggest ball. A-tag ball is big, B-tag ball is bigger and C-tag ball is biggest. And what is the spelling of biggest? B-I-G-G-E-S-T. Biggest. Once again, B-I-G-G-E-S-T. Biggest. One more time. B-I-G-G-E-S-T. Biggest. Now it's your turn. Good. B-I-G-G-E-S-T. Biggest. What is the spelling of big? B-I-G. What is the spelling of bigger? B-I-G-G-E-R. Bigger. And what is the spelling of biggest? B-I-G-G-E-S-T. Biggest. Okay? Everyone understood? Is that clear? Yes, very good. Now I will draw apple. Now you tell me which one is big? Yes, this apple is big. This apple is big. This apple is big. Very good. Now I will give a tag to this apple. Okay? And this apple is big. So I will write here B-I-G. Big. This apple is big. Now I will draw one more apple. Now, did you notice here difference? Yes, this apple is bigger than A-tag apple. Yes, very good. So, first I will give B-tag to this apple and we can write here bigger. Because this apple is bigger than A-tag apple. will draw one more apple. Now, which one is big? Yes, this is a biggest apple. This apple is bigger than A and B tag apple. I will give C tag to this apple, and this is biggest apple. And what is the spelling of biggest? B I double G E S T, biggest. C tag apple is bigger than A and B tag apples. Everyone understood? Yes. C tag apple is bigger than A and B tag apples. So we will call it biggest apple. This B tag apple is bigger and A tag apple is big. Big, bigger and biggest. Now, big, bigger and biggest. Big, bigger and biggest. You also repeat with me. Big, bigger and biggest. Big, bigger and biggest. Now, I have few things to related this topic. I will show you. What is this? Do you know? Yes, this is a doggy. I will give A tag to this doggy. This is big and this is bigger. So I will give B tag to this doggy. And look here, biggest. I will give C tag to this dog. This is biggest. 1 minute. Big, bigger and biggest. Big, bigger and biggest. Everyone understood? This is big, bigger and biggest. Big, bigger and biggest. What is this? What is this, children? Yes, this is a teddy. What is this? And what is the color of teddy? Red. Very good. What is the color of teddy? Red. This is big teddy. This is big teddy. But what is this? This is also teddy. But did you notice difference between them? Yes. This teddy is bigger. This teddy is bigger. This is big. This is bigger. And I have one more teddy. Yes. It is biggest. It is biggest. This teddy is biggest. Big, bigger and biggest. big. This ball is bigger. And this ball is biggest. This ball is biggest. Everyone understood? Yes, very good. Now, we will repeat the spellings of big, bigger and biggest. One more time, okay? B-I-G, big. B-I-G-G-E-R, bigger. B-I-G-G